as a consultant, we see a lot of different projects from a lot of different clients, and I'm going to focus mostly on the early stages of this, where one of the biggest problems we run into are clients who, very small companies, less than 5 people, they don't necessarily even understand what CMC encompasses. Simply think of drug manufacturing and getting it in the clinic, and that's it. They leave out the regulatory components, the quality components, the need to do your quality audits early, quality agreements, have them in place, have an understanding of how things are going to work. But the other problem that we often see and have to come in and try to fix is probably the wrong word, but to deal with is a complete disconnect between the C-suite and the people that are responsible for the project. The C-suite goes out, raises money, and says we will have our first clinical trial and our first patient dosed by the end of the year, and that's based on some shoddy due diligence. So gap analysis is important. How do you actually accomplish these promises that the C-suite has made in the time that they're giving you? And sometimes it's pretty much impossible. And sometimes that is a death sentence. I'll just leave it at that.